Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends onto your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your main menu, from which you can start enjoying your match right away. Now, if you wish to add any person as your friend, then in order to do so, just tap on the friends icon at the top right corner alongside the gear icon. This will then open up the Friends tab. From here, tap on Friends, which will show you all of your friend list. In order to add someone as your friend, click on Add Friends at the left side, and now you will see various different recommendations. You can send the friend request based on the recommendations that you are provided, or you can also tap on the search box at the top right corner in order to enter the username of the person that you wish to add. Once you have found their profile, you can simply tap on the request option, and you may also enter a custom message if you wish to do so. Then tap on the confirm button and your friend request will now be sent to this user right away. Now, once this person checks their friends tab and then goes into requests, they will find your friend request and they will have the option to accept or ignore. After they accept your friend request, they will appear within your friends tab, and now you have become friends with this user. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends onto your Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.